there? What the f... Shit! What? No. This can't be.
Back off! This is for you.
Ah, boy.
I've waited so long to deliver this.
What?
Friendship. Friendship.
Oh, it's good to get that mask
Oh,
off.
what is this?
Oh, I'll tell you.
I
later.
know, but what is it?
Well, it's ultimate control.
Oh, God.
Here we are, Squid House Productions, Hail Film and Space Toaster, and I'm getting ready to unbox what I'm hoping is, let's see here. Here we go. Just got this today. I've been waiting for this forever. And I got this stuff off of Game Shark's website. They were doing 2 for 1, buy one, get one free, if you can fucking believe that. But here it is. Hell yeah. 2 tournament edition. Not one. Let's get the other one out here. But 2. I can't even believe this is real. I got 2 of these for the price of 1. Now if I can just figure out how to open this.
Some nice packaging too there.
Yeah, it is. Look at the artwork. Check that out.
It's like a book.
Tournament edition Fightsticks, but they are the round 1 Fightsticks. So let's get these out and see how they feel.
It's got a whole crew
Oh
on
my
that.
god. These are freaking sick. Check it out. Feels great. It's parts from the arcade cab of Street Fighter 4. Buttons feel really good. And the stick is... It's a square gate stick, so a lot of people say to switch this out to the octagon gate or whatever, but I don't know. I'm going to play with it, we're going to see, and we're going to test this out and decide. There's a certificate. So yeah. Game Shark. 2 for 1. I don't know if they're still doing it, so you better jump on it.
Street Fighter.
But I'm sure you guys have seen enough of these videos to know that switch these up, start, select on the back, here's where the cable goes, and I think we're going to hook these bad boys up and let's see how they work, so let's do it. And there goes him breaking my chair because he's eating all these fucking burgers.
You know it.
Okay, verse mode, baby. It takes a little bit to get used to. And this is some Street Fighter 4 action.
Here I am.
And I'm gonna pick my Kinoryu. Yeah, I unlocked a lot of characters since this thing.
That's good.
Thanks.
What's going on?
X.
Oh.
See how I had to do that for him? Random, baby.
Random.
So you ready to get this match underway?
So which I need to use the white buttons then? That's the American style.
Okay, guys, while we get to some fucking Street Fighter 4 action, I want you to watch the preview to our next film from Squid House Productions. Later, people. We're gonna fight.
Fight!